Most people struggle with belly fat, not because they lack effort, but because they misunderstand how fat loss actually works. You cannot target belly fat alone. Fat loss happens across the whole body through a calorie deficit and hormonal balance. Once you understand this, everything becomes simpler. But why do so many people still fail even when they try hard? The foundation of all fat loss is a calorie deficit. This simply means you must burn more calories than you consume. It doesn't require starving yourself or extreme dieting. It requires smarter food choices like whole foods, vegetables, lean proteins, and high-fiber meals that keep you full while naturally reducing calorie intake. But what is the easiest way to stay in a calorie deficit without stressing over every meal? One of the most powerful tools for fat loss is protein. Protein helps you feel full for longer, reduces cravings, and increases the number of calories your body burns during digestion. Foods like eggs, fish, chicken, beans, and yogurt help preserve muscle while accelerating fat loss. People who increase protein intake often notice faster changes in their belly area. Daily movement is another underrated fat loss secret. You don't need intense workouts to start seeing change. Simple walking can significantly improve fat burning by boosting metabolism and improving insulin sensitivity. Research shows that consistent daily steps, even around 7,000 to 10,000, can lead to noticeable body changes over time. But can something as simple as walking really compete with gym workouts? Sleep plays a much bigger role in fat loss than most people realize. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that control hunger and fat storage, leading to increased cravings and more belly fat accumulation. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep improves your body's ability to burn fat efficiently. When your sleep is poor, your body holds on to fat more stubbornly. Cutting down sugar and processed foods can rapidly speed up fat loss. These foods spike insulin levels and encourage fat storage, especially around the abdomen. When you remove sugary drinks, snacks, and ultra-processed meals, many people start seeing changes within weeks. Strength training is one of the fastest ways to reshape your body. Building muscle increases your resting metabolism, meaning you burn more calories even when you are not exercising. Just 2 to 4 sessions per week can dramatically improve body composition and reduce fat. This is why some people lose weight, but still don't look fit. Stress management is another key factor often ignored. High stress increases cortisol, a hormone linked to stubborn belly fat and increased cravings. Simple habits like deep breathing, short breaks, and relaxation techniques can improve fat loss results significantly. The connection between the mind and body is stronger than most people think. If all these methods are scientifically proven and widely known, why do so many people still struggle to lose belly fat, even after trying everything? Most people don't fail because the methods don't work. They fail because of inconsistency and hidden lifestyle blocks. If you stay consistent, you may notice early changes like reduced bloating in 3 to 7 days, visible body changes in 2 to 4 weeks, and clear fat loss in 6 to 8 weeks.